We later found out the subframe was damaged. And there's another car coming. And these cars are coming all over the place. This is my 2007 Honda CBR1000RR. I bought this bike on Marketplace for only 35,000 Rand, and she seemed like a bargain at the time. There was damage to the main frame at the front bolt, where I then later decided to swap out the frame to the black one, which belonged to the toilet roll holder. The loom was damaged. I had to deepen the loom. The subframe I later found out was also broken, so for safety's sake I rather decided to fit a new subframe. We got a whole new fairing kit, also found on Facebook Marketplace, and she is now complete.
Something new, something fresh, yeah, I'm super obsessed. Let me know when you done messing. A little that, a little this, then you put it to the test. It's all in the expression. It's a mood, it's a vibe, it's a state of mind. And now I want it more. It's a mood, it's a vibe, it's a state of mind. Okay, you got the floor, it's looking good. I kinda like that. I kinda really like that. It's looking good. I kinda like that.
So what do you think? Yeah, we've got our OEM silver fairing kit with some special gold bolts from Wish. OEM tank, which doesn't belong, tank cover, which doesn't belong to the fairing kit, but the black matches nicely. The original Repsol wheels with the original gold Repsol forks. And after today being my first ride, I now notice that my forks are leaking. So given that we're going to finish this build off with a day at the track, I'm going to be doing my forks soon, and I'm currently busy servicing the brakes. So what have we done since the last video? Well, I've repaired the ignition. I now have a kill switch instead of using my key to start the bike. I fitted some bar ends because the old ones looked a bit raggedy, especially supplied by Cain Industries. The swing arm on this one is missing a bolt on the swing arm bobbin, so I fitted an axle spool to fit the paddock stands. Our indicators is the last thing that still needs to be repaired, as well as the indicator relay that was broken in the accident. So for now, this bike is complete. It's ready to ride. It's been serviced. The chain's been set. It's been cleaned thoroughly, and it's now ready to take on the road. Morning guys, it's 6 a.m. Saturday morning. I was up till 12 last night working on the bike, but she's all ready to go to the track today. Let's take a look at what I've done. Okay, so first things first, brakes. I've got another video that's coming out soon. Brakes are done. I've completely serviced these brakes. You'll see the gold brakes are now on. Forks were leaking. Fork seals are done. I've done that on the previous bike, so I didn't really bother to make a video on that. Suspension is set. Another video coming soon. Set the suspension back to stock, but then what I also did was I set it according to my weight to make sure that your static sag falls within a 35mm range. That video will also be coming soon. I added an O-ring to the forks so that under braking I'll be able to see how much the forks are traveling. It's not bottoming out. Not too early in the morning. Reason for that, well, what I've done there is I've added the O-ring and not a cable tie. A lot of guys, they will then add the cable tie as an afterthought. Track tires. I've now got some fresh rubber on. Okay, so I've taken off the Pirelli Angels. These are road tires. It's a dual compound, but they will work okay for the track. But I'm just too cautious to use those, seeing as I used to race before. It's safer for me to go with the super courses. So the super courses can run better heat cycles. They will heat up quicker. They are stickier, and they have been used and scrubbed in. But that's okay, because I'm not going to be going that fast. I'm not going to be racing at that level. In the front, you'll see I also had Angels. And so now I've got some super courses. I think these are also the SC, the super courser SP. So yeah, some nice tires, decent quality tires on the bike. Nice and sticky, ready to hit the track. And there's my freshly serviced brakes with my new fork seals fitted, new fork oil and suspension properly set up. I've also added some of my own little branding. So got my own stickers made up and got the camera set up. Hopefully we can get some good shots. And last but not least is the suit, the helmet, the boots and the gloves. So we're off to the races. No, if my mom hears this, we're off to a track school. It's no racing. It's completely safe. We're not racing against each other. We're racing against us. No, we're not racing. So yeah, we're off to the track. I need to get dressed. My buddy Paul's going to show up now. 7 o'clock, we're going to hit the road. I'm going to be there by 7:30. 8 o'clock, they start with scrutineering. And the day starts from there, finishes off at 2 o'clock. Let's do this. We are on the move. So off we went to the track, Paul and I. Voila. When we got to the track, we met up with Marco. It was Marco's first track day as well, and he's got a GoPro mounted, so he was my other cameraman. The track was very full, fully booked today. All 3 classes was full. This is us all standing in our respective lines for scrutineering. Got slow, medium, and then fast on the far left. I decided to start in the slow group today and see how it goes. All the bikes get scrutineered. They check your brakes, they check your throttle, check your chain, your tires, any leaks, the overall condition of the bike. It doesn't have to be roadworthy, but it just needs to be track ready. Paul standing, getting his bike scrutineered, and there's Marco getting his bike scrutineered. I'm then next. And after this, we all have to meet up to do the riders briefing.
All riders briefing now, please. Thank you. Okay, first of all, good morning everybody.
Morning, teacher.
Welcome to today's event. Today's event is sponsored by Project 60 SA. Please ride within your limits.
Yo, these guys mean business, eh? Fast guys. guys, getting ready to go out. This used to be me 5 years ago.
If you've been here before with us, you are most welcome to continue sitting in the session.
Where it says new pits, that the pin location, it tells us where we are, and that there represents that bridge that you can see outside the window, and we're going to be traveling in that direction.
There's a couple. Let's sitting right behind him.
What's that? You want more? Click here to subscribe.
Yo guys, that was an awesome track day. Bike performed amazingly well. I was very slow. Did my first couple of sessions in the slow group and barely changed gears, barely did anything, but I had a lot of fun. Finished off the day in the medium group, killing it. Going back to my old ways, starting to feel more comfortable on the bike. I got knee down. Hopefully we can get some pictures from the photographer. But it was a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for following this build. It was a lot of fun. We're gonna go back to finish off the lemon soon. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.